Prepare the following materials for refill: Singink C-700 pigment ink, 1 syringe. The refill will be done through the ink nozzle on the cartridge. For an XL color cartridge, you will need approximately 19 milliliters of ink. On the ink bottle, this is equivalent to 2 bars. 1 bar equals 10 milliliters. Open the ink bottle cap, pierce through the protective foil, and securely close the cap. Insert the tip of the ink bottle into the ink nozzle on the cartridge. Slowly squeeze the ink into the cartridge, watching as it flows in. Continue until you have reached approximately 2 bars of ink, 19 milliliters. Use the syringe to withdraw any excess air from the cartridge, which will help reduce air bubbles. After refilling, the printer will still show a no ink warning. To bypass this indication, press and hold the stop button on the printer for 10 seconds. Run a nozzle check to ensure print quality. The test print should match the expected output.